Kidz Galaxy. Farm animals. Hen is a domesticated bird valued for its eggs and meat. Known it for social behavior. Ducks are waterfowl recognized for their quaking sounds and webbed feet. Horses are large, strong animals used for riding, work, and transportation. Bees are small flying insects that collect nectar and pollen. They produce honey. Dogs are loyal companions known for their playful and loving nature. Cats are small furry pets known for their independence and playfulness. It is waterfowl known for their honking sounds. Ostriches are large flightless birds known for their fast running. Sheep are domesticated animals raised for wool, meat, and milk. Fishes are aquatic animals that breathe with gills and swim. Peacocks are colorful birds known for their impressive feathers display. Monkeys are intelligent, social animals known for climbing trees. Sparrows are small, social birds known for their chirping sounds. Quails are small game birds, often found in fields and forests. Rabbits are small, furry animals known for their long ears. Goats are curious animals known for climbing and producing milk. Guinea fowls are birds known for their unique markings and sounds. Turkeys are large birds, often eaten during Thanksgiving celebrations. Parrots are colorful birds that can mimic sounds and speak.